today, we're going to open the GeekGear Wizardry monthly subscription box for February 2020. For those of you who have watched these unboxings with me before, welcome back. If you're new, this is the GeekGear Wizardry monthly subscription box, and in here we usually get a shirt, and if there's any house-related items in here, they will be Ravenclaw because that is my house, and they just started for this year a charm bracelet with Pandora-style beads that are all Harry Potter themed, so I'm interested to see what we get for our second bead. So let's go ahead and get into this. Oh, okay, so we have a shirt right off the bat here. Lots of blue wiggly worms. Let's get this out. Oh, interesting. Okay, so last month we got a Hungarian horntail shirt. So this month they've sent us a Swedish short snout. And I feel like that wasn't the color he was in the film, but I'm not 100% sure. But he's an ugly looking dragon, but kind of cool that they continued with that theme. And their shirts are really nice. They wash well, all that. And, ooh, it looks like we got a wand. Which, I'm going to be honest, when they first came out with these unique wands, and I think they called them noble wands in the very beginning, I wasn't too fond of them, and I wasn't too sure about it. But they've had some really amazing designs, so I actually like receiving their wands now. Let's see. Ooh, that's different. So, yeah, it's like claws grabbing a blue ball up here. So I don't know if it's house colored. I'll be interested to see when we get to the cheat sheet if mine's blue because I'm Ravenclaw. I'm kind of assuming because this is bronze, so I'm thinking maybe this is a Ravenclaw one, which would kind of make sense. You know, it could be an eagle talon down there. Yeah, that's different. And it's really nicely weighted. And it's actually pretty comfortable in your hand. So, yeah, I'll be interested when we get to the cheat sheet if this is a house-related wand or if everybody got a Ravenclaw-looking wand. Very cool. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Oh, we got our scratch-off card. Let me see if I won anything. And no big surprise, we got no win, better luck next time. All right, still nice that they put those in there. So we have a box here. Ooh, and it's got a chest-looking piece on it. Trying to figure out the best way to get in here. All right. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, I don't play chess, but I'm going to assume because Ron was on a horse that this is a knight. That is super cool. And in the Cherry Wallace box, we got the red, I think it was the queen. So this is really cool. Love that. It's really detailed. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see all of the detail in there. Very nice. Cool. All right. Oh, looks like we got another potion. And it must actually have liquid because they have it in a Ziploc bag. Let me open this up. Okay. So some of it definitely transferred off onto the bubble wrap. I don't know if you guys can see that. So we did get a potion. And it's Amortentia. And it is definitely a liquid. So I'm kind of impressed with that just because it did ship overseas. We did get some... They actually used wax up here, so this is actually wax. They didn't use glue or something. But we did get some breakage, and my label is a little crooked and kind of wrinkled. But I will say the liquid that they have in here is pretty decent looking. It's definitely got a nice pearly sheen. They definitely have some kind of mica powder in there. I'm not sure what liquid they used. It might be an oil of some kind. It's definitely thicker than alcohol and water. Yeah, I'm not sure. But, yeah, I mean, overall, this is not a bad potion. As far as their potions go, This is probably one of the better ones besides last month's, which was the little Skelegro bottle, but that wasn't really, I mean, it was just kind of a carved resin potion, which is still very cool. But yeah, I would say this is better, and this is a very cool shaped bottle. So, all right. Oh, we got our bead. And it looks like it is an Amortentia bead. So we definitely have got a love potion theme going on here. Let me get this out of the plastic. Okay. So that's super cute. Okay, cool. Very different. And let's see. Oh, looks like we have the card for the wand. Let's see what this says. So they call it Draco Pez, which Draco means dragon. Pez maybe means foot, so maybe it's supposed to be a dragon foot. So its length is for 13.5 inches. Its core is an akami feather, and the wood type is dark wood. So yeah, okay, that's cool. So it looks like everybody might have gotten the same wand, but we'll wait until the cheat sheet to know for sure. And here's the cheat sheet. I'll put that off to the side here. And we got our piece of art. You have nothing to fear if you have nothing to hide. Huh. Interesting. I kind of like that it's black and gray. I can't say that that's my favorite quote. But yeah, very cool. Okay, so let's get into the cheat sheet here. Which looks like they did a little different. They've been doing like a Hogwarts acceptance letter, and this one just kind of looks like folded parchment. So let's see. So this is the February 2020 box. We have the exclusive Swedish short snout t-shirt, the licensed and exclusive Pius Thickus Fear print. So yeah, that is from the Ministry of Magic that was not the minister for very long. But yeah, that's kind of cool. And then we have the exclusive Dragon Claw wand. So it says, this month's wand is a community artist design created by the incredibly talented GeekGear customer Kelly Blackburn. So that's cool. We have the... Oh, I didn't even open... Oh, okay. I almost just killed my thing here. So I forgot. We got a tube this month too. So let me open this up. And I know that this is a piece of art. And it's not Kevin Cantwell. I feel like her name is Holly. But I'll let you know in just a sec here. Can't believe I almost forgot about the tube. Okay. Ooh, oh, that is beautiful. Mine got a little bent up, but that is a beautiful piece of art. Looks like it was done in oils, maybe acrylic originally, and it's the first years going across the Black Lake. That's beautiful. I'm going to have to frame that because I really, really like that. And yes, it's H. Simpson, and I think her name's Holly. We'll find out for sure here in a minute, but that's beautiful. Okay, so Hogwarts Lake community artist artwork. So it says, this stunning artwork is brought to you by Holly Simpson. Show Holly some love on Instagram at Holly Simpson Art. And I definitely will do that because that is beautiful. Then we have the exclusive wizard chess piece, which is a knight replica, and the exclusive Amortentia love potion, and the monthly collectible charm, which is love potion as well. And the YouTube spotlight is planning with Crystal. And next month's box hint is the potion classroom. So I don't know if that just means we're getting another potion or if it means that we're getting something else. I, again, would love a little cauldron in one of these boxes or something cool like that. So yeah, overall, I think this was a good month. I mean, you know, they get a massive A for effort on this one because the liquid in here is cool and I like the shape of the bottle. And they did try to do the actual wax. So, you know, thumbs up in my book for the effort they put into that one. And I love this art piece. This is beautiful. Really pretty. And I like this wand. I think it's unique. I kind of wish that this part here was metallic or something, but I may go back in and kind of touch this one up a little bit, but it is weighted really nicely, and I like how different it is. So that's cool. And this night piece is really neat. It'll look cool on my shelves. And the bead. I actually like the bead because it's a potion bottle. I mean, you know, I can't go wrong with a potion bottle. So I'll be excited to put that on my little bracelet here. And for any of you who have the bracelet and don't know how to add your charms, you unscrew this piece right here. It does take some twisting because it does have quite a few threads to make sure it doesn't just fall off on you. And then it's open, so we can add our charm on there. And then you just screw that back on. And then we have both charms on the bracelet. So we have our little owl from last month and now our little Amortentia bottle. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. What did you guys think of this box? If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.